You know love ain't always fire and roses. Sometimes it's steel wheels on a frozen rail, pulling you farther from the life you thought you had. And when that whistle blows in the middle of the night, you realize she's gone. And you're just standing there watching love roll away. That midnight train rolled by, snow was falling from the sky, and I swear I heard her whisper in that lonesome wind. Coffee on the stove's gone cold, just like the story we never told. And the tracks out back say she ain't coming home again. And I left the porch light burning, hoping she'd turn around. But love don't stop for the broken, it just keeps leaving town. 'Cause love is a cold train when it's heading down the line, pulling all your memories through the shadows of your mind. Yeah, it rattles through your heartbeat like a rhythm you can't change. And you're standing in the frostbite while it fades into the rain. Oh, love is a cold, cold train, and it never looks back again. I still hear her laughing in these old pine-boarded walls, and her boots are by the doorway like she didn't leave at all. But the silence in this cab tells the story clear as day, that some hearts get left stranded when the rails just slip away. I tried to chase that whistle, but you can't outrun goodbye. Some tracks are laid forever, others fade into the night sky. 'Cause love is a cold train when it's rolling out alone, stealing all the warmth you had and leaving you with stone. Yeah, it shakes your soul to pieces, throws sparks across your pain, and the harder that you chase it, the faster it rides away. Oh, love is a cold, cold train, and it don't come round again. Steel wheels and heartbreak, they sound a lot the same. One screams out in thunder, one whispers out your name. But when both are in the distance and you're standing in the rain, you'll know love is a cold train, and it never feels the same. Maybe someday I'll find a fire strong enough to melt this freeze, someone who won't ride away when the world drops to its knees. But till then I'll keep on waiting, learning slow from all this pain, that the heart don't fear the fire, it only fears that cold steel train. Yeah, love is a cold train, rolling far beyond your sight, and by the time you hear the whistle, it's already in the night. But I'll stand here with my memories on these tracks of joy and pain, 'cause somehow even frozen, I still loved her just the same. Oh, love is a cold, cold train, and it never rides back again.